there ever going to be a video where I don't have my hair up in a ponytail? Probably not. Hi guys, what's up? It's me. It's me. It's me. What's up guys? I'm back. Woohoo. And I'm here to do another sort of K-pop related video. As you can tell, there's more over there, but I'm not gonna show you, but hello. Yeah, fuck it. It makes me happy. Don't judge. In honor of Lee Taeyong's birthday, he is the leader and the main rapper for NCT 127NU, and I am in love with that group. They're like my #1 group after EXO. But since in honor of his birthday, I decided I'm going to do an eye look based off them. I might make this into a series. I don't know. We'll see. I really do need to get on those books though, because that's the whole reason I made the damn channel in the first place, was for the books. But today I'm going to do an eye look based off their colors and one of their logos, because they have a lot of different logos. But there is one where it's the world. You know what? I'll just post it here. Let's just get into it. So I'm gonna go back in with my Tarte Shape Tape. I already put it on my face, but I'm gonna use it as an eyeshadow base. And I'm just gonna use my finger instead of a beauty blender. Usually I would use a beauty blender, but I like the way that this sticks when I use my fingers. So for the lid, I'm going to be using a lime green color because that's their official color. And I'm going to be using Take Me Back to Brazil palette, which is my favorite palette. We all know this by now. So in the crease as a transition shade, I'm going to be using this bright ass green. You're probably asking yourself, why Rain? Why such a bright color? And I answer to that, why not? And for the outer corner, I'm gonna go in with this dark green here. I am going to make this actually look like an actual eye look. I'm not going to just focus on mattes. I am gonna add a shimmer. We all know by now that no matter how hard I try, one eye is going to look like complete shit compared to the other. We're just gonna have to get past this. Then I'm taking Shape Tape again, and I'm going to cut the lid about halfway. I'm not gonna go completely over, just because I want to keep that green color in the outer corner. For the lid, I am taking this dark shimmery green, shimmery green. I use my finger because that brush does not want to do shit. This is the most green look you will ever see my eyes be. Just saying. Well, never say never. Come back in with this dark green that's in the corner and put that underneath the lid as well. Because if you're gonna go full green apple, go full green apple, right? Now I'm gonna try something. I was going to do like a dotted wing because in their logo that I showed you earlier, it's got the dotted lines to make up the T. But instead of doing that, because I don't want it to mess up the magnificent thing going on my face right now, I'm just going to take the black shadow here in the same palette and use this tiny angled brush that you can't see because it won't focus on it, and make dotted lines in the waterline. Hopefully it'll work, we'll see. I'm taking my Clinique High Impact Mascara and just putting that on the upper and lower lashes, but I am going to be putting fake lashes on the top. Okay, well, lashes look stupid, so we're not doing the lashes. I'm taking my Pro Glow and just doing a quick glow on my nose, on the brow bone, and on my cheeks, and right here. And I'm just gonna use my finger for this, just because it's easier. And then I'm taking Bite Beauty Matte Cream Lip Crayon in Glacé. I think that's Glacé. There's a little tilde. It's sort of this neutrally pink color. Yes, I know my lips are crusty. Oops. I'm just doing it in the inner, as Sophia Nygaard says, the butthole area, because I'm going to diffuse it out. I don't actually want it to be too stark of a line, because I know that it is actually very common in Korean makeup standards to not do that. And then I'm just taking this Buxom lip gloss and going over top of it, smoothing the edges out and giving it a nice shine. Also, I love this stuff because it like makes me feel like my lips get bigger. There's definitely like something in the formula. And that's the end results. I definitely look like I just put like green apple on my face. But you know what? I actually kind of like it. Like I would probably, if I went to see NCT on tour, I would probably do this look. Come on SM, give them a tour, please. A world tour. Bring them to Atlanta, please. Oh my God. I kind of feel like Beetlejuice a little bit. Oh my God, this is so Beetlejuice right now. If you love NCT just as much as I do, please go stream them because I absolutely adore NCT. They're not everybody's cup of tea, I do understand that, but they're just so wonderful. And happy birthday to Lee Taeyong. I love him so much. And I hope you enjoyed this little tiny makeup thing. It wasn't really a tutorial, it was just me messing around. And hopefully you'll join me for other K-pop related videos, as well as the ones that I made the channel for, which is books. I'll get back on that, I promise. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please like and subscribe and give it a thumbs up. I always do that. I say like and thumbs up, and that's literally the same damn thing. Hit the notification bell if you want to be notified every time I make an upload. Comment down below if there's any other K-pop related things you want me to do, or any books you want me to read to do a makeup look to. Go say happy birthday to my mans. Hopefully he'll be your mans too. And I'll see you guys for the next one. Bye. Stop.